night it's too early. In the morning be this time the money. I don't hear you. Coming back for night. I don't busy now. I can't have money. Your voice is like bag of rice. My madam is among the prosperous taxi drivers in this town. Why do you do this kind of work? You must get Christmas in bone for your back.
Every time you say you love me, but you instructed your housemate not to give me food.
You don't forget that this work, why would they take it for this house? So that time you complain say they abuse you. Don't they abuse me, woman of the house?
I need the man of the house. You can't put 3 minutes or even 5 minutes for me.
I will work morning and night. I'll keep the money. You go there, you carry them. You chop them. When you chop and finish, you shave your baby a razor cut. When you cut.
Why do you even wear this stupid cap self? Are you talking about the money you spent or the humiliation I got at the police cell?
Give me the money I take myself. Give me now. You go to the other side. Give me.
Let me just tell you something. I am here to stay. You must marry me.
I don't come to come possess my possession. How can a big woman have the guts to lock me up at the police cell? So as I pay for house, I can't leave man for the house. The house don't become man house.
Tell me the secret concerning Junior's paternity.
Junior, like your son.
You lie.
That lady, she does not deserve to be our wife anymore. She has to go.
If I slap your head, so I can you go clean. My car, my money, what you make me transfer to your account. Give me everything now. No one trouble.
You denied this pregnancy and you expect me to respect you?
Watch your tongue, good girl.
You call a whooping 350,000 naira ordinary. Why are you talking?
Are you shouting at me? Daniel is my very good friend. I can't betray him for any amount.
My son will allow himself to be under the control of a woman whom he calls his wife.
God has blessed me with a son.
Is he your son?
He's my son!
He's not! So make you transfer all the money that you have to your husband's account.
I think say me and you are friends. How you go tell me this kind of thing?
So you're saying you didn't prepare any food in this house today?
I am not your slave.
I am your husband.
Of course you are my husband. I'm not dragging that fact with you.
After spending 4 years in the university, and what do I get? You want to ruin my life and career? Hell no!
You're mad!